Hello, welcome. My name is Chanda Matthews, and I'm super happy to be your instructor in this web technologies course. In this video, I'm going to teach you the best key things that you need to know about HTML. I'm going to teach you how you can create your web page using HTML5. Let's start. HTML simply means Hypertext Markup Language. It's an acronym which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, as I've stated. So in order for you to create an web page or website of your choice, you can use HTML5 as the programming language. So HTML is the programming language that you can use to create codes for your web page. And you can also decorate or beautify your codes written in your HTML document using CSS. So I'm going to teach you the basic tags that you need to write or to use as you write your HTML codes. Okay, the first important HTML tag is the HTML, as the name suggests. So you need to have your HTML tag. That means you should have the opening HTML and the closing HTML, like that. After you have written your HTML tag, the second thing that you need to write is the head tag. Remember, tags are usually opened using the less than symbol and closed using the greater than symbol, as you have seen. So after the HTML tag, the next important HTML tag is the head tag. So let me show you how to write the head tag. The head tag like this. Then you close with your greater than symbol. Then between your head tag, the opening head tag and the closing head tag, that's where now you need to insert your title tag. Like this. Title. Okay, so let me try to explain what I've just written. This HTML tag is the major formatting component that will activate whatever you're going to write in your document as your HTML. And the HTML codes are usually opened by the browser, so you can choose any browser that you use to open your HTML documents. The head tag, between the head tag and the opening head tag and the closing head tag, this is more like the meta tag. That means it will hold data about data. And as I've stated, between your opening head tag and the closing head tag, you will have your title tag. Between the opening and the closing title tag, that's where I need to write the title of your page. And the title of your page is usually displayed on the top left corner of your browser, like www.google.com. This title will be displayed on the top left corner of your browser. Okay, after you've written your edit tag, that means between the closing head tag and the closing HTML tag, you need to have your body tag. And the body tag will hold all the content of your document that will be displayed on your web page. Okay, so you need to have your body tag. Okay, that means you need to have the opening body tag and the closing body tag. So whatever you are going to write in between the opening body tag and the closing head tag, they will be displayed on the browser when you just run your codes. Okay, so let me give you an example of what I can write in the body tag. Let me say, hi, I am a programmer. Okay, if I save these codes and run them on the browser, hey, I'm a programmer, is being displayed. Okay, so now another thing that you need to know about HTML is comments. In case I don't want this to be displayed, hey, I'm a programmer, I don't want this to be displayed, I want to just comment it out. Now, let me show you how to comment out certain elements of your HTML. Comments are usually started by the less than symbol, followed by the exclamation mark, then followed by two hyphens. Okay, then that's where you write now your comment. Then you will actually close your comment by two slashes and the greater than symbol. That means whatever is in between the comments, it will never to be displayed on your browser. Okay, so let me try to run this, to save this and learn, so that I see if the comments here are being displayed. You can see I only have hi, I'm a programmer. That means comments are ignored by the compiler, okay, and they are not displayed. So if I comment this I am a programmer out, they will not be displayed on the browser. Let me try to comment them out. Okay, then ending my comment with two hyphens and the greater than symbol. Okay, just like that. What's wrong? I've just forgotten to add the exclamation mark there, so it's no longer considered to be the comment. Let me add an exclamation mark and everything is commented out. So you can see, if I try to save this and learn the code, I am not a programmer will not be displayed because it has been commented out. So this is how we use comments in HTML programming. So comments are more like the white spaces. White spaces are also ignored by the compiler and are not displayed. Let me just undo the comments here. I live with hi, I'm a programmer, save this and learn. I have hi, I'm a programmer. But if I want to leave as many spaces as possible between hi, I am a and the programmer, let me try to leave more spaces and save this and learn. There is no space that is appearing on your browser. That means white spaces. These spaces are left between line 7 and line 12. These are called white spaces, and white spaces are always ignored by the browser or the compiler. Okay, so in case you want the white spaces to be displayed on the console, then you need to use the pre-tag, and the pre-tag will be written like this: pre, then like that, so that I have pre and the closing pre-tag. Okay, so let me just try to write something between the opening pre-tag and the closing pre-tag. Let me say type leave white spaces and say of, okay, and my let me say type of my choice. Okay, now this are just being written automatically, and it's not of my concern. Okay, So let me just try to save this and learn. See what will happen. You can see type of choice has been that means the spaces that were left, the white spaces, are not ignored this time, okay, but they are displayed. Okay, let me just try to add type of my choice. Let me save this and run. This is what is happening. So whichever white space I had left is being included in my browser. Okay, so that's about white spaces. So if I don't want white spaces to be displayed, then I'll just write automatically like this. But if I want to now my white spaces to be displayed, I'll use the opening and the closing pre-tag. Okay, another thing that I need to talk about in this video is how you can link your HTML document with your external CSS for beautifying and decorating your codes. It's important that you should know the linking tag that should be included in your edit tag. Okay, and how you can write this linking tag is by writing the less than symbol, then you say link. Okay, now you need to link the SS document with your HTML. So first of all, you need to define the relationship by just saying rel, which will be equal to style sheet. Okay, rel is equal to style sheet. Okay, rel is equal to style sheet. Then type will be equal to text or CSS. Okay, then you need now to locate the directory and the name of your CSS document by using hypertext referencing. So you need to write href, which stands for hypertext referencing, and you write the name of your CSS document. You end it with CSS extension like that. This is how you can link the external CSS with your HTML tag, so that whatever you write in your HTML, you'll be decorating or beautifying in the CSS. So what I mean CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet, is a programming language that will be used to decorate or style all your code that you've written in your HTML code. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code with Chand, and turn on the bell so that you don't miss the important stuffs, especially in this course and other programming languages like C, Java, and C#. Thank you so much. Goodbye.